Hello there! Ready for an adventure? Let's head to Peru, a country sculpted by nature's wildest imagination. Picture towering mountains, lush jungles and deserts all in one place. Peru's history isn't just in books, it's built into the land itself. Ancient Inca cities, vibrant Andean traditions and Spanish influences blend into a colorful living culture. The markets burst with bright textiles and the music is full of cheerful rhythms. One moment you're on a mountain peak, the next you're paddling through the Amazon or walking along the coast where desert meets sea. Each region has its own story, making Peru a patchwork of wonders. So, grab your explorer's hat. Let's dive into this claymation wonderland of ancient ruins, rainbow mountains and floating islands. Come on, Gromit, our Peruvian adventure awaits. First stop, Machu Picchu, the legendary lost city of the Incas. High in the Andes, this ancient city is shrouded in mist and mystery, perched atop a dramatic mountain ridge. Imagine climbing into the clouds and discovering a city of perfectly fitted stone, where every block seems to defy gravity. The journey itself feels like stepping into another world, as the air grows thinner and the landscape transforms into a breathtaking panorama. Green terraces cascade down the slopes, llamas graze peacefully, and the whole place feels like a masterpiece of ancient engineering. Each terrace was carefully carved by hand, creating a living staircase of green that hugs the mountainside. For centuries, Machu Picchu was hidden by jungle, a secret world lost to time. Dense forests and tangled vines kept its secret safe until explorers stumbled upon its wonders. Was it a royal estate or a sacred site? No one knows for sure, and that mystery only adds to its magic. Some believe it was a place for ceremonies. Others think it was a retreat for Inca rulers. Walk among the ruins and you'll sense the echoes of the past. Farmers tending the terraces, priests performing rituals in the temples, all built without modern tools. The stones fit so perfectly, not even a blade of grass can slip between them. The sunlight makes the stones glow, shifting colors throughout the day. In the morning, the city is bathed in golden light. By evening, it shimmers with soft purples and blues. Getting here is an adventure. By train through deep valleys or hiking the ancient Inca trail, following in the footsteps of the Incas themselves. Each path offers its own challenges and rewards. When you finally arrive, the view is unforgettable. The city unfolds beneath you, surrounded by towering peaks and swirling clouds. Machu Picchu isn't just a ruin, it's a city with a soul waiting to share its secrets. Every stone, every path seems to whisper stories from long ago. Every corner reveals a new wonder, a new story. Hidden carvings, mysterious rooms, and breathtaking views are around every bend. It's a place that sparks the imagination, inviting you to dream about the people who once called this magical city home. Next, we journey to the breathtaking Lake Titicaca, a place where water, sky, and mountains meet in a dazzling display of nature's beauty. This is the world's highest navigable lake, perched high in the Andes, straddling the border between Peru and Bolivia. Here, the remarkable Uros people have created a home unlike any other. Floating islands made entirely from totora reeds harvested from the lake itself. Everything around them, homes, boats, even tall watchtowers, has been carefully woven from these strong, flexible reeds, showing incredible skill and creativity. The Euros built these islands long ago to escape danger on the mainland, and their floating homes can be moved across the lake if needed. A clever and resourceful invention. Today, the Euros keep their unique tradition alive, constantly adding fresh layers of reeds as the old ones rot away beneath their feet, maintaining their islands with care and dedication. Walking on these islands feels soft and bouncy, almost like stepping on a living raft, while the people's colorful traditional clothes add vibrant splashes of color to the landscape. Their famous dragon-headed reed boats glide gracefully across the sparkling blue water, making you feel as if you've entered a fairy tale or a dream. The Euros demonstrate their ancient weaving techniques, passing down their knowledge from generation to generation, keeping their culture alive. They even eat the white, juicy part of the totora reed, which is both nutritious and refreshing. A true gift from the lake. Life here is peaceful and close to nature. Women weaving, children laughing and playing, and at night, the stars reflect on the calm lake, creating a magical scene. It's a world built from ingenuity, tradition, and a deep connection to the water and reeds that sustain them. Visiting the Euros is like stepping into another world, one where people and nature are woven together in harmony. Ready for a splash of color? Let's trek to Viniconca, Rainbow Mountain. After a hike through the Andes, you'll see a mountain striped with red, yellow, green and purple. It looks like nature's own crayon masterpiece. These colors come from layers of minerals revealed by wind and rain over millions of years. For locals, the mountain is sacred, a powerful spirit in their traditions. The journey is just as stunning: valleys, herds of alpacas, and locals in bright ponchos. The earthy landscape makes the rainbow stripes even more dazzling when you finally see them. The colors shift with the sunlight, making every visit unique. It's a joyful, awe-inspiring sight, a reminder that nature is the greatest artist. Rainbow Mountain is a true celebration of color. Now, let's plunge into the Peruvian Amazon, a world of endless green. Giant trees, twisting vines, and a dense canopy create a living, breathing jungle. The air buzzes with live sloths, squirrel monkeys, macaws, and even pink river dolphins. Every creature seems sculpted with a playful touch. Exploring by canoe, your guide points out leafcutter ants, poison dart frogs, and hidden wonders. At night, the jungle comes alive with new sounds and glowing eyes. Staying in a jungle lodge, you fall asleep to the rainforest's chorus. The Amazon is wild, humbling, and full of surprises. It's a place where every plant and animal plays a part in a delicate balance. The jungle reminds us how connected we are to nature. Time for a mystery. Imagine a vast sun-baked desert stretching as far as the eye can see, hiding secrets beneath its golden sands. In the Nazca Desert of Peru, giant drawings called the Nazca lines cover the ground, etched into the earth like ancient doodles. From above, you'll spot spirals, animals, and shapes so enormous they can only be seen from the sky, as if made for the eyes of birds or even visitors from beyond. Created over 1,000 years ago, their true purpose is still debated. Were they for astronomy, rituals, or perhaps messages to the gods? No one knows for sure. The Nazca people made them by carefully scraping away dark stones to reveal the lighter earth beneath, working together with incredible precision. The dry, windless climate has preserved these mysterious lines for centuries, keeping them almost untouched by time. Flying over them, each new figure appears like a treasure hunt in the sky, with every pass revealing more hidden wonders. Some are hundreds of meters long, a feat of organization, teamwork, and vision that still amazes scientists and explorers today. The Nazca lines are a silent message from the past, a puzzle waiting to be solved, inviting us to imagine the people who made them. They show a deep connection between people, land, and sky, linking ancient dreams to the mysteries of the universe. It's like a giant sketchbook left open for us to wonder at, filled with stories we may never fully understand. The desert holds its secrets well, whispering tales of creativity, mystery, and the enduring spirit of humanity. What a journey! From cloud-high cities to floating islands, Peru is full of surprises. Every landscape feels like a crafted set, vivid, textured, and alive. We've seen famous wonders and hidden gems, but the real magic is in Peru's diversity. Ancient history, living cultures, wild jungles, and mysterious deserts, all in one country. The Peruvian people are warm, resilient, and proud of their traditions. Their colorful textiles, lively music, and delicious food bring the country to life. Peru blends old and new, keeping heritage alive while embracing the future. If you crave adventure and wonder, Peru is the place to be. It's a land of creativity, resilience, and endless charm. Now who's for a bit of cheese? All this exploring has made me peckish.